Holy Cross,
we love math!
And though we may not love recording data, we know how useful it is. So we wanted to show you how to go about doing it. So I have my Google Drive open, and you all can see it, so we can show where to go. So where do I go to find this document that we need?
Student growth plans.
Okay, so I'll come to my student growth plan. All right, so I'm in my HCLS Indy Drive, and I can see that I have the student growth plans file right here, so I'm going to double-click that to open up the file. Once I open my student growth plans, in here you're going to be able to see student growth plans for each graduating year. So next year's graduating year is 2020, which applies to all of us, as a matter of fact. So we'll go ahead and open that student growth plan right up. And we have class assessment and then math major standards. Where you're going to be putting in your data is the math major standards. So you'll open that up, and then you'll be able to record any data that you have for these students. And we still need to do ours for the summer from the students we just had.
So let's go down and look at one of them.
Okay, so let's go ahead and use Nathan Cunningham, because we've all served him in the past. So if we were to count to 100s by ones, wait, do I need to do kindergarten standards for
No, we
that
got to
would
start
make
with what
sense.
we taught. So that was
Seventh grade.
So I'm going to come.
Pre-algebra.
Oh, not. Let's
It would
see.
be
So we need to make sure we
pre-algebra.
find where we are. So I'm going to pause. So we found Nathan Cunningham. We found 8th grade, which are the standards he's in. So that's where you can look for your grade level. And so we can see differentiates between rational and irrational numbers. What would you say for that, Mrs. Evans?
I would say he needs reteaching.
Okay, I agree. So we're going to go ahead and put a 3 there. And when I press,
thought you could do it with help. No? You know better than I.
and if we don't know, we should go lower, right?
We should go
That
lower.
was the reason.
Oh,
So,
good question.
all right. So when I put that in, it turns red on its own. Glorious. I love that. Knows and applies rules of exponents.
I even have kids struggling with that in geometry.
I
Do you
think-
ever really know your exponents?
I think he needs help.
Reteaching for sure. Performs operations with numbers expressed in scientific notation.
Once again,
Reteaching.
reteach.
So applies operational signage. That I would say he's doing well.
With help.
Yeah, with help, he needs. Sometimes he
Reminding.
remembers to be reminded.
Right.
So there we go. All right, so we worked through our first section. As you can see, this is fast and easy. Hopefully, it makes sense and helps you succeed.